Hello, namaste everyone. In this video, we'll be going to talk about the spermatogenesis. In the previous video, we had talked about oogenesis, and now in this video, we'll be going to talk about the spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis. So the spermatogenesis is the process of the formation of the sperm. We had talked in the first video that the primordial germ cells reaches the testis. This primordial germ cells, it reaches the testis and it enters the dormant phase until the puberty in the male. Okay, it enters dormant phase until puberty. Okay, and this after the puberty, primordial germ cells, it forms the spermatogonium. After puberty, this forms the primordial germ cells from the spermatogonium, and this spermatogonium undergo the mitosis 5 to 7 cycles of division and forms the primary spermatocyte. And this primary spermatocyte, primordial germ cells reaches the testis and it enters the dormant phase until the puberty. And after the puberty, the spermatogonium undergo the mitosis and form the primary spermatocytes. And there is a specific that the primordial germ cells type, there are the two types, type A and type B. Their type B forms the spermatogonium. So the type B primordial germ cells form the spermatogonium. Now this primary spermatocyte now undergoes the meiosis first, and it forms the secondary spermatocyte, two secondary spermatocyte. This is secondary spermatocyte, and now this spermatocyte undergo the meiosis second. Meiosis second. And after the meiosis second, this form the spermatid, four spermatid, two spermatid this, two spermatid this, four spermatid. And now these all spermatid undergoes the spermiogenesis. So what is the spermiogenesis? This is the rearrangement of the organelles. Tail is formed. These all are the formed. So this is the these all spermatids undergo the spermiogenesis, and after the spermiogenesis, the four spermatozoa is formed. Spermatozoa, four spermatozoa is formed after the spermiogenesis. Now see, this meiosis occurs in where? In the male seminiferous tubules. Okay, and this all process of the spermatogenesis takes place about 64 to 74 days. Okay, now let's differentiate between the spermatogenesis and the oogenesis. Spermatogenesis and oogenesis. So the spermatogenesis process occurs at the puberty. It starts at the puberty, but this oogenesis starts at the intrauterine life. The polar body formation, no polar body formation here. There is a polar body formations. Here one primary spermatocyte forms the four spermatids, but here one primary oocyte forms the one ovum. So these all are about the spermatogenesis, and in the last we discussed about the differences between the spermatogenesis and the oogenesis. So thank you.